skinny dudes packing those anacondas. I might be petite, but I'm a fucking monster. Everything I do is.
Hey friends, so first, if the video angle is kind of off, I apologize. I'm using a new tripod that I just got, so we're trying to see how it's gonna work. It's slightly smaller just so it helps better for like bathroom tutorials type of thing. So let's get into it. Today we're going to be doing a dermaplaning video. It's gonna be my second or third time doing this. Second. I also apologize if I sound stuffy. I got a little sick. Not sick. I just have like some cold symptoms, but I'm quite confused if it's allergies or cold. I'm really not sure because honestly, all the symptoms end up being the same for me, regardless. So who knows? I'm really just taking decongestant pills. That's about it. Because I don't know, child. Anyways, back to the whole video of what we're supposed to be doing. So, first step, you're gonna want to clean your face. You're gonna clean it probably like 2 or 3 times, honestly. So I use Pure Skin face cleanser, First Aid brand. I'm actually gonna post a link down below in the description of all like my makeup products that I use, and if you click on that link, and it'll take you to this site where I have all of them listed. You just go to fave products, and then you can find this and just buy it off of there. It's that simple, that easy. I use this as my regular everyday face wash, and then actually I use e.l.f. Gentle Peel Exfoliating. I exfoliate once or twice a week. This is the exfoliant that I use. I really like it so far. I'm using it for a few months now. Yeah, highly suggest. e.l.f. brand, most of their stuff is really good, honestly, so there's that. Now we're gonna get out our dermaplaning things. Let me make sure this razor is okay still. Yeah, this razor looks good still. Okay, cool. So I bought like a 10-15 pack, I think at Ross, I don't know, but I have a lot. So we're gonna be using this type of razor, and then let me pour out. I'm going to be using aloe vera gel. That's what I use to dermaplane my face. I just think it's easier because there's like dermaplaning and then there's oil planing. I haven't used an oil to do my face yet. I don't really plan on using an oil ever, even though there is some benefits and everything, but I don't know. I just like using aloe because it helps like reduce like the irritation, the redness, everything like that. You know what I mean? And let me actually grab my micellar water. So before you dermaplane, you'd want to clean your face like 3 times. So I already washed my face in the shower with this, my First Aid Beauty, and now I'm going to go ahead and use micellar water to get the rest of like the oils, dirt, and everything off of my face, just in case there still is some. I'm looking up. Here it is. So you want to make sure your face is like completely clean because you don't want anything to get into your pores or anything while you're dermaplaning, because you're basically taking off a layer of skin. So that means it's easier for it to get things on your like skin that is what would you say, vulnerable. It's easier to get pimples and everything, stuff like that, if you don't have an already cleaned surface. So wash your face and then use micellar water just to get a little bit more cleanse. I would say probably go over your face twice with the micellar water. That's just me though. So dermaplaning can basically help with built up dead skin and hair. It can help your makeup lay way better on your face when you take off the the peach fuzz essentially. It can make it look way smoother and just look more natural and glowy and dewy and stuff. I don't really think I have much of dead skin on my face compared to how much peach fuzz I have on my face. So there's that. So I'm pretty sure as I'm dermaplaning, you're probably gonna see more peach fuzz than actual dead skin. Grab your paper towels. Yeah, we're gonna separate them. Grab your aloe vera. You should probably keep this in the fridge. I have mine under the sink. I'm actually gonna put it in the fridge after this because I prefer it when it's like cold. It's more soothing to the skin, honestly. I'm not even gonna use a brush to apply this. This specific one, because I usually use a different brand, but this is what happens when you send your boyfriend to buy you stuff. You don't always get what you want. So, we're gonna start with, just open, put some on your finger, and put it on. And then you just wanna rub it in. Basically put it all over the base that you're going to dermaplane or you plan to go over with the razor. Make sure you don't get it in your eyes. Just saying. Okay. And make sure you put enough because you don't want to be, like, you can dermaplane on dry skin, but I don't really suggest it, especially if you're a beginner, because technically I'm a beginner, and you want a barrier between your skin, okay? And that's how you get bumps and you irritate it. So here's the top. So you want to pull your skin back. I don't have much of a forehead to dermaplane, but hold where you're at like a 45-degree angle. See, so far it's really mostly hair that I have on my face. I gotta be very careful when eyeliners and you should. most of that is peach fuzz. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the process. Most part, I'm almost done. This is how it looks so far. So I've done this side and this side as far as like my cheeks go. Right now I'm going to do more stuff like my chin and under my chin. This part is like the hardest part because it's like really curvy and everything, and I can't really see too much of my under chin. So you just have to try to be very careful. I cleaned up like most of the dark area under here. So this is what it looks like. This is the conclusion. So now I'm going to go ahead and wipe my face up because I basically did everything. I think it looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my face up and then show you the after. So I went ahead, wiped my face off with some micellar water. This is basically our finished product. Let me know if this video helped you guys at all. I really hope it did. If you think about dermaplaning your face. And also, it does not grow back thicker, I promise. Because if it did, I would not be doing this to myself. I promise y'all. Because I already be having a little peach fuzz any other day. So if it grew back thicker, I would not be doing this. I promise, okay? I swear, this like headband literally moved back every like 0.2 because it did not start all the way back here. So after you clean your face and everything, let that sit a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hyaluronic serum on. This is the nighttime moisturizer that I use for myself because it's not oily or anything. The skin really absorbs it, so it's honestly my favorite nighttime moisturizer because I hate when I feel like if I'm laying down, that my pillow or whatever, that I just hate when my face feels sticky on my pillow or something. And this does not cause that. Go ahead and tap that in. Get it in all your crevices. And it does not irritate my skin at all. Everybody's skin is very different, so that's why you need to know if you have sensitive skin, what works with your skin, what doesn't work with your skin. Like personally, my skin is combination skin, so some parts of my face are more oily than others. Other parts are dry. It really just does. It just depends, honestly. Like for example, my mom has really sensitive skin, especially her face, so I can't be doing her makeup like that because she could just break out. It's just not pretty. Alright. So just be very cautious and wary of what type of skin you have, what would work, what wouldn't work. It's all trial and error, okay? That's all it is. Go ahead and let my skin absorb that serum. And then I've been using, so I got this says Powerpuff Girls. I got a lip mask from ColourPop. I've been using ColourPop lip mask. Super good, highly recommend. Also, this product is also going to be in my in that little link that I told you guys about where you can find my face wash and everything. This will also be in the link. So I have really chapped lips that are usually dry. This helps with that. It helps them stay moisturized in the morning and everything. So I've been using this every week. And I used to have really like dark spots on my lips from biting so much, and it's helped lighten them up. So if you're looking for lip mask or anything, I highly suggest the ColourPop brand lip mask. This one was from the Powerpuff collab. So this specific one is actually called Sugar and Spice. It's great, it's amazing. I can feel it tingling and like help healing. Once I put it on, it just looks great. Like, look. Oh, look. I look all fresh, glowy. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram for other videos and little tutorials, for short ones, obviously. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.